Hey car lovers, we all love cars, but do you ever think about what's inside? The engine is like the heart of the car. It's what makes it go. Understanding how engines work is super important. Petrol and diesel engines power everything from our cars to big trucks. We're gonna learn about engines, and don't worry, it's not too complicated. Knowing about engines can help you pick the right car, not just by looking at how fast it can go, but how it gets there. Do you want a fast, exciting car or one that's strong and steady? We'll explain it all so you can impress your friends. First, let's talk about petrol engines. These are the most common type. They use spark plugs to make small explosions. Air and fuel mix together, get squeezed tight, then bang. The spark plug lights the mix, pushing a part called a piston. This makes the engine turn, and that turning makes the wheels go round. Easy, right? Petrol engines are smooth and quiet. They like to go fast, making a cool sound when you push the gas pedal. Think sports cars and small, fast cars. Now let's look at diesel engines. No spark plugs here. Diesel engines use really high pressure. Air gets sucked in and squeezed super hard until it gets really hot. Then diesel fuel sprays into this hot air. Boom! It explodes. Diesel engines are strong and quiet. They're good at pulling heavy things. That's why you see them in trucks and tractors. So, which is faster, petrol or diesel? Usually petrol engines are faster. They like to go really fast and give you quick acceleration. Think drag racing or speeding around corners. But diesel engines are getting faster too. New diesel engines are quick and strong, good for passing other cars. It's not just about speed, it's about how the engine feels. Petrol engines are like a cheetah, fast and quick. Diesel engines are like a bear, strong and steady. Now, let's talk about saving fuel. Diesel engines are usually better at saving fuel. Remember how they squeeze the air? This means they use less fuel to go farther, but petrol engines are getting better at saving fuel too, thanks to new technology. And remember, how you drive makes a big difference in how much fuel you use. Finally, let's talk about how much it costs to own a petrol or diesel car. Diesel cars used to be cheaper to run, but not always anymore. Sometimes it costs more to fix a diesel engine, especially the newer ones. The best engine for you depends on what you need. Do you drive a lot? Need to pull a trailer? Then a diesel might be better. Do you like a sporty drive and don't drive too much? A petrol car might be better for you.